G'day everyone. Welcome to a repeat of the first episode of our Kangaroo Science Chronicles in Salzburg. Due to requests of a couple of friends also in quarantine, we decided to translate this also into English. The idea of what we're doing is we're trying to come up with very simple scientific experiments that we can do together with kids at home when we're stuck with fairly everyday objects. And I was going to do this anyway with my kids' classes in the next few weeks, but due to our restrictions, we're stuck at home, and we've got a couple of things that we want to try and do. And one experiment that we're going to try and do is we're going to try and take a balloon and blow it up without letting it touch our mouth. How are we going to do that? Well, the best way to do this is to come up with very simple things. We've got baking powder here, nothing better than baking powder for experiments. We can pour a bit of baking powder in. We've got maybe we need a bit more baking powder because you can never have enough baking powder for these sorts of experiments. Okay, we pour a little bit more in. And then we've got here a concentrated Essig solution, but vinegar solution. I've been here too long, I'm starting to forget my English. We just pour it in. So this is a pickling vinegar, which is quite neat. And we can, if we can get this right, hopefully it'll work better than the German version of the video. And we'll see what happens. Oh, okay, the balloon's blowing up by itself. Okay, of course the baking soda or baking powder is reacting with the vinegar, producing carbon dioxide, and this thing is going to blow up slowly with time. But this isn't enough. What we also want to do is to see if we can take a balloon. This is too easy. We want to take a balloon and see if we can blow it up on the inside of the bottle. Have the balloon go up and inside. How do we do that? Works quite well. I'll just grab the appropriate tools. We just boiled a kettle here. We pour water in like so. We heat the bottle up and all the air inside here. And what we can do is we can tip the water out. Of course, when you're doing these sorts of experiments, if you're getting the kids to do them, you've got to be a little bit careful with the boiling water. This is the last place you want to go is to a hospital at the moment. And then we shove the balloon inside and we try and fit the outside of the balloon on here. Okay, notice the balloon's not blown up now. The bottle's still very hot, the air's still very hot. To make this thing go a little bit faster, what we can do is we can stick it underneath the cold tap. And here we have the advantage of having cold water coming out of the taps directly from the alpine glaciers, or the few number of glaciers that still exist. Okay. And as you can see, slowly the balloon is blowing up. I can get it. Yeah, sometimes you have to wiggle it around a bit to get it to blow inside. No advertisement for McDonald's, of course, with the balloons that we've got here. They're just the only ones we happen to have around. With that, that's the end of the episode for tonight. We're going to continue, try and do an episode every day. It'll keep us busy and keep us all somewhat sane. And we wish you all the best in these difficult times, and thanks for listening. See ya.